Hi guys, if you want to have the same look like mine, you want to have the same look like mine, a clear skin like mine, so watch this video till to the end and you're going to be thanking me. Don't drop, don't break, don't just watch the intro and go. You're going to be thanking me. Skin looks like how it's looking nice and very nice. So without waste of time, I just want to show you how you can use Dettol and what to use next, and you have this clear skin without any side effects or without leaving your skin irritated. As you can see, my skin is totally clear, no pimples, no nothing, so it's totally clear. So all you need to get water. I have water here. So next I'm going to be getting Dettol. So I'll take one bottle cover. Remember, you have to always dilute Dettol because Dettol can irritate your skin. So you add it into water. Now as you can see how the water looks like. So after that you have to mix it. So you start mixing it like this. So after mixing it, you get a cotton cloth or a cloth. So I have my cloth here. So all I'm going to be doing, I have some, I think they're kind of, I don't know what's this, but I think they are mosquito bites. So I'll just place this into the into the container, then I'll start applying the Dettol here, just like this. Not everywhere. Make sure that you only apply, you only have to apply only the places where you have rashes. Now you see there is rashes. So you apply here as well. Dettol contains alcohol, which helps to kill germs 99%. So you apply on your skin. So you apply on your skin. So if you're using a natural cream, so you can use a natural cream, but if at all you want your skin to look young and cute, I would suggest you use Vaseline with the blue seal. Yeah, you can apply Vaseline with the blue seal. But before you do that, have this. So all you have to do, you just have to, now you see the skin, how the skin was looking like. This means that this totally kills the germ. As you can see, now see, this shows that the skin is very dirty. Mama, so this shows that the skin was very dirty, and remember, Dettol kills germs. So you can see, you see how the skin was looking like. So now all you have to do, you have to wash it off. After washing it off with 5 minutes, okay, I'm going to be washing it off with clean water. So now the clean water is here. So 15 minutes will pass, then you have to wash your face like this. Don't leave Dettol on your skin. Don't you dare leave Dettol on your skin. If you want your skin to be irritated, trust me, things are not going to work your way. So I'm going to show you what I do next. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to apply my cream on my face. At the same time, I show you something as a supplement which I'm going to add in to keep this face looking young. So I have my cream here. This is Rapid Clear. I'm going to be applying my cream on my face. I'll take a little bit of it. Then I'm going to be taking my vitamin E capsules. Oh my God. I'll take one of it. I'll take 4 drops. Have this. So when you're applying on your skin, make sure that you applying, taking into the head and the ears like this. You see? So as you can see how my skin looks like. You see how it looks like, yeah? If you have to have the same clear skin, but if at all you're natural, you can use Dettol, you can use Vaseline. But for me, my skin is not natural, so I don't usually use this kind of creams. Yeah, so I'll take the remaining capsule. Oh my God, have you seen that mess? Okay, so I'll apply on my cheeks like this. Just to make my skin look young, like this. As you can see my skin, how it looks like, yeah? See? And I hope everyone wants to have the glowing skin like mine, as you can see. So in that case, trust me, within just a few days you're going to be having, within a few days you're going to be having the same skin like mine. The same skin like mine. So okay guys, love you all and see you in the next video. But don't forget to subscribe, like and drop your comment.